Mirdita. My name is Mustafa Aga, and today we are going to learn how to install WordPress locally. So as I said before, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress locally, and to do that we need two main things. We need the copy of WordPress zip file from the wordpress.org, and we go open Chrome, go to wordpress.org, and we press get WordPress. We download the WordPress 0.46, it's the latest. The second thing we need is a web server that will run locally on our PC. There are two most known web servers that support WordPress, XAMPP and WAMP. Me personally, I use XAMPP. So to download XAMPP, we press on the Google Chrome first link, and I'm going to download the latest one. Now wait till the XAMPP will download and then start again. Now that XAMPP is downloaded, we press the exit, continue, continue, next. Make sure that MySQL Apache is installed, is checked. Here we determine a folder where to install XAMPP. Me, for example, I'm gonna use next, next. After XAMPP is downloaded, we open XAMPP control panel, start Apache and MySQL. The next thing we need to do is to create a database for our new WordPress website. So to do that, we press here. This will redirect in localhost phpMyAdmin. We can access this also by typing this URL in a web browser. A new database, for example, WordPress test. So I created my database. Next thing we need to do is to go to XAMPP root folder, go under htdocs, and here create a new folder. That will be the path for our new WordPress site. WordPress site. Open the folder. Let's copy this and go to WordPress, extract files, and here we paste the URL. Okay. Now the files are extracted. To not use the subfolder, we cut and paste here and delete this to keep it clean. Next thing we do, we copy the URL and we go to localhost WordPress site. So now we are going to install WordPress on our local PC, and for me English is okay. As a database name, we are going to put the name of the database that we just created, and to do that, okay, phpMyAdmin. We see here WordPress test. Copy this WordPress test. Username. Usually the default username for XAMPP is root, so and there is no password if you don't configure it with another password. Database host is localhost because we are running in local environment, and table prefix is whatever you want. The table prefix can be changed, but I think it's better to use the W key and submit. Next thing, run the installation. Here we put the site title, coffee shop for me, username coffee admin. As a password, I'm gonna use the same password, and email contact at dev. This is not important in our case because we're running it locally. Install WordPress. Save for me and login. So we just installed our WordPress locally and created our first website. That is gonna show like this. This is the default appearance of a WordPress website if you haven't done any work on that. Just the title, and this is the subtitle and the post for sure. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Miropavshi.